It's Friday night and I'm committed to the cause. I'm not going out. I'm not dancing at the Tiger Bar. One of you know what I'm on about. No, I am grinding banana peels in preparation for planting my tomatoes because banana peels are full of potassium. And I saved my entire winter's worth of banana peels, dried them in the oven, pounded them, and I'm putting them in the blender, and they are turning into a powder, a beautiful fine powder, which will be my free fertilizer for my tomatoes. What else to do on a Friday night? I don't know. I can't think of anything better. There we are. One winter's worth of banana peels, dried and blended into an amazing material that I can use as a fertilizer. Cool, eh?